Okay, so let's start this get ready with me. Like I said in my previous videos, I don't know if you guys watched them or not, but I'm moving to a new apartment, so I don't even have my makeup room anymore. I am sitting on the floor right here in my bedroom. I don't even have a bed anymore. It's only a mattress on the floor. It's not ideal, but we're dealing with it. It's only for a week, and soon I'll be in my new apartment, and then I can even do a tour of my new bedroom if you guys want that. And I'm super excited to move, actually. In Get Readies with me, people are always in a rush, but that's not the case today. Today I have 3 hours to get ready. I'm taking my time and doing everything slowly, and that's why I decided to record it for you guys. Like I showed you guys, I used my Coco and Eve hair mask in the shower. It's amazing. I love the smell of it. And now I'm using the Kérastase Coco from the Blonde Absolute line. I love it, and it also has heat protection, which is very important for us. I don't know if I'm gonna style my hair yet, but I'm definitely gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna be doing my makeup here on the floor, only with this mirror over here, but at least I got this mini light, which is super cool actually. It's called the Loom Cube. So this is how it looks like. It's a ring light, but it's like super small. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna be using it to do my makeup today. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, blow dry my hair, and I'll be right back. Now that I blow dried it, I'm gonna use the Kerastase Elixir Ultime oil. Shake it a little bit and then apply it. I just love the way this takes all the frizz out of the hair. Plus it smells so good. I kind of like the way my hair looks right now. I don't think I'm gonna do any curling or anything like that. Since I don't have all my makeups with me today, I'm gonna do something pretty basic. By the way, I haven't told you guys yet what I'm doing. So I'm going out for dinner, but I want to take some pictures before. So those 3 hours I talked about include taking the picture. Okay guys, so this is what I have right now. It's still a lot of makeup, but I mean, most of my makeup is already packed and not here anymore. I'm using this 4-in-1 correcting primer. I changed my camera because that one ran out of battery, but I think this one is even better. So like I said, I applied the correcting 4-in-1 primer from Purr. I actually been using this in almost all of my makeups lately. I just like it a lot. My skin is actually pretty good right now, so I'm gonna use the Lancome Teint Miracle foundation, which doesn't have that much coverage, and I think it's just what I need today. Okay, moving on for the concealer. I'm using this Forever Skin Correct from Dior. Put it here on the dark spots a little bit. And I'm gonna use a lighter one from L'Oreal to actually highlight this area here and create that lift effect, you know? I hope the lighting is okay. I mean, it doesn't look bad to me. I mean, this looks way worse, right? This is way better. Yeah, it's not bad, I think. Okay, so I'm using this L'Oreal Full Wear, Infallible Full Wear in the color 355 Vanilla, which is super, super light. I mean, I am super, super light, but this concealer manages to be even lighter than me. And I'm just gonna put a little bit here, like this. And add a little bit more here. Now I'm using the Natural Finish Loose Powder from Chanel. My color is the 30 Natural Translucent 2. Just gonna use it a little bit of it. I'm not gonna do any baking or anything like that. Just gonna apply a little bit of it all over my face. I'm gonna do some contouring as well. This is the Contour Kit Light to Medium from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just focusing it here on the cheeks. Have you guys seen that trend on TikTok with the filter that tells you where you should be putting your bronzer? And it's usually way up here instead of down here where I usually put it. I'm dying to try that out. I'm just a little bit scared it's not gonna work for me. And I don't know, I'm gonna ruin the makeup. I'm gonna have to start. Oh my god. Everything's fine. I'm just a little bit scared that I'm gonna ruin the makeup and I'm gonna have to start over. But I will be trying that one day and I'll let you guys know if it works. I mean, in my next makeup video. I'm gonna do very, very light contouring on the nose. Just with what was left on the brush. I didn't get any more product. Okay, now I'm using the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I'm gonna use this golden one and a little bit of the white one as well. I like to add a lot of highlighter when I'm taking pictures. I just love the effect it gives. I'm using the NARS Orgasm blush. It has a little bit of glow. That's why I like it so much. I mean, it looks pretty natural, right? I like these natural looking makeups. I mean, we just look pretty, but it doesn't look like we put a lot of effort into it. And now, for eyeshadow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Hidden Dessert one over here. I'm gonna get a black eye pencil, just plain black eye pencil. This one's from Bodyography. It's called Onyx. And I'm gonna apply a little bit here. Super close to the waterline and down here as well. Just to the beginning, and then I'm gonna get the brush and blend it. This is gonna be kind of the shadow of the eyeliner I'm gonna make. So now I just come and I'm gonna do it on top of it. I'm gonna use the Great Brow Basics. I mean, I use only the brow pencil, the Goof Proof brow pencil, and the Gimme Brow, this one. I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I only have an hour and a half left. So I'm kind of getting nervous because I actually have to take pictures before I go. And I took kind of a long shower because I had to wash my hair and everything. Mascara is done. I like the eyes, I really do. Final step, I'm using the Soar lip pencil from MAC. I'm gonna use the Lolita 2 from Kat Von D lipstick, which is very, very similar color to the Soar. And on top of it, I'm pulling this Insta Famous from Tarte. It's kind of a lip gloss. It's called Lip Paint, I don't know why, but it looks a little bit holographic and I love it. So now I'll take you guys to the other room so that we can choose my outfit. Alright guys, so I have these two options. I have this black leather blazer and this white crop blazer which has these details that I just loved. I wanted to do more like of a black and white, so if I'm wearing the black, I wanted to put it with the white boots over there. But wearing the white, I want to wear it with the black boots. I think I'm gonna wear the white because I feel like it's more different than the black one. And for the bottom part, I have two options. Just a black leather shorts or this super cool skirt that I've been dying to wear actually. I think both of them would match the blazer. So I'm gonna try them both and I'll show you. Okay, so I hated this. I didn't like the bow with the blazer, especially because it has this detail over here. I did not like it at all. I also put this corset under it because I thought it would look cool, but turns out I didn't like it either. So I'm gonna put something that you can't see, so it will only show my skin over here, and then I'm gonna try the skirt and hopefully that works out. Alright, so I love this. I love the skirt and I think it looks way better without anything under it like this. I like how it shows the skin and I just loved it. And this skirt does this and it's so cute. But now I want to accessorize a lot. I'm gonna put a lot of golden accessories, especially here. I think I could use a little belt or something like that and put the boots on. I'm gonna try both of the black ones. I'm in between the shorter one and the higher one. I think I'm gonna like the shorter one best, but we'll see. I was going to put on the boots, but then I found this little belt over here and it's just so cute. I was thinking more about putting chains or something like that because that was the look I was going for, but I just love this. It looks like it's from the skirt, you know? It's just so cute. So I'm definitely wearing it. Now I'm going to put the boots and I'll show you. I actually like both of them. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it for afterwards. I'm just going to accessorize and I'll come back. Alright, so I put a lot of bracelets, my watch, this rings, this necklace, and I chose to put something very simple on this ear because I found this earring on my mother's closet actually. Just thought it was so pretty, but I only put it on one and then decided to leave the other one pretty simple like this because this is a lot of accessories. But for the boots, I made up my mind, okay? So I'm thinking this one. So this one. The high ones look more, I don't know, badass and sexy, and I like it. So I'm going with the high ones. So now I'm only missing the purse. I have 3 options, but I feel like I already know which one I like the most. Alright, so these are my options. I don't like the green in here. I'm taking it off. It's not an option anymore. I do like the white one, but I feel like this is the one. I mean, this looks more casual and I'm going for a statement, so I like this one better, I think. I loved it, guys. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put the best pictures in the end of the video so you can see how it turned out. But I'm super excited and I actually gotta run, guys, because the 3 hours became 30 minutes and I still have to take the pictures. If you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!